any of my videos, then hello, my name is Jazzy and I am so happy that you found my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a super delicious double chocolate cookie recipe. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and also subscribing to my channel. Also, if you hit the notification bell, you can be updated when I upload new videos. So I think it's time that we jumped into the video. Let's go! Before we start baking, it's really important that we wash our hands. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Now you need to line 2 baking trays with grease-proof paper, like this. Now you need to weigh out 120 grams of unsalted butter into your weighing scale. Now you need to put the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds to make it easier to mix in. Because it was such a hot day, the butter melted, but that's okay because it makes it easier to mix in. Now you need to weigh out 120 grams of caster sugar and 120 grams of demerara sugar and add them both into your mix. Now you need to crack the egg, whisk it, and then add it in. Now you need to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you need to weigh out 220 grams of plain flour and add it into a separate bowl. Now you need to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Time to mix it in. Now I'm going to chop up 100 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of white chocolate. But you can experiment with this. You can have milk chocolate and dark chocolate, or white chocolate and dark chocolate. Just have fun. But I'm going to show you 100 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of white chocolate. Now I've chopped my milk chocolate and my white chocolate. I'm going to add them into our flour mix. Now we need to add the flour mix to the butter mix. Now that your mixture is fully combined, you need to put some cling film over the top of the bowl and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now it's time to take the mixture out of the fridge. Now I'm going to take the cling film off the bowl and start forming the mixture into cookie shapes. Now it's time to put the cookies in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. ready, so it's time to take them out the oven. The second batch of cookies aren't quite ready yet, so we're going to take them from the bottom shelf and put them on the top. Now the second batch of cookies are ready. Now the cookies are out the oven, you need to use a spatula to remove them from the pan and put them on the cooling rack. Now the double chocolate chip cookies are finished. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This recipe makes 15 cookies, perfect for friends, family, or just yourself. See you soon. Bye!